How to open old Snapchat account. So if you want to open old Snapchat account, then first you just need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to go for the login page, and here you will have the login page, right? So in order to open your old Snapchat account, you will need two things. So the first thing is your email address or your phone number. So you just need to have any one of these, or you need to simply enter your username or your email address on the first option. So for example, I'll be entering my email address. So simply enter the email address, and then you can also tap on use phone number instead if you don't remember the email, and if you want to use your phone number instead of your email, then you can simply tap on use phone number. But I'll be using email, and then go for the second blank, which is password, and under that you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, you can simply go for forgot your password, tap on it, and here you will get two options, phone and email, like I already said. So you can simply choose phone or email, whichever you have. I'll be choosing email. Once you choose email, here you will have to enter your email address so that Snapchat will send you a confirmation code. So enter your email address and then tap on send confirmation code. Once you tap on it, here you will have this kind of interface where you will receive 6-digit code on your email address which you have just entered. So simply copy the code and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and that's it. Your account will be logged in. So that's how you can open up your old Snapchat account if you have access to your phone or your email. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.